This lab home sits in the context of a neighborhood. It sits between houses that are its peers in the marketplace.
The goals of the Lab House program were to provide a research environment where we'd be able to evaluate the most cost-effective means of achieving net zero energy use in a production building environment.
The cost of the technology is definitely going to be coming down, and the cost of energy is going to be going up.
And we wanted to first look at what are the levels of performance we need to achieve net zero energy use at a lower cost.
If we were to build this for a consumer today, probably pay about a 20% premium. That's not going to be the premium we see in the future.
There are cost-effective ways out there of achieving high levels of energy efficiency.
We can conserve so much energy that we're able to actually reduce the first cost of many components in the house by putting in smaller space conditioning systems, and maybe, as we're trying to demonstrate in this house, actually eliminate ductwork. So if you don't have to put it in, you don't have to pay for it.
The builder really needs to look at a whole systems house approach when they're designing their homes.
We've also had some open houses where we had the local neighbors in, and many of them were intrigued with what the house embodied and said yes, they would have considered it. Lighting technology in this house is a majority is compact fluorescent and fluorescent technologies.
We decided to evaluate a strategy that will allow us to use the space over the cabinets as well as the under cabinets to provide that ambient source of lighting.
Every other energy using system in the house has some level of efficiency to it. All of the appliances in the house are really the best Energy Star appliances that we could find.
One of the first things we're looking at is, can heated or cooled air be provided to 2 points in the house and still maintain comfort in the house?
Homes that are in the high performance range, not yet to zero energy, but with demonstrated technologies that builders are building around the country today, have about a 5-year payback.
Typically, heated or cooled air is provided to every room in the house. You have to run a piece of ductwork to every room, and so that adds cost to the installation of the system.
If we can become confident that we can have those kind of savings where we're simply not putting something in you have to pay for it, payback becomes a lot faster.
It's a comfortable home. It's a highly energy efficient home that's going to help you monthly with your bills. This is the next generation.